A number of stars have been embroiled in high-profile legal cases in 2025, from hip-hop elder statesman Sean Diddy Combs to controversial Irish rap group Kneecap. Here's a look at all those who became controversy's favorite children this year. Sean Diddy Combs was sentenced on October 3rd to 4 years and 2 months in prison for transporting people across state lines for sexual encounters, capping a sordid federal case that featured harrowing testimony and ended in a forceful reckoning for one of the most influential figures in hip-hop. Since Combs had already served a year in jail, the sentence means that the 55-year-old could get out in about 3 years. While prosecutors sought a sentence of more than 11 years, his lawyers wanted him freed immediately and said the time behind bars has already forced his remorse and sobriety. Combs was convicted in July of flying his girlfriends and others around the country to engage in drug-fueled encounters in multiple places and over many years. However, he was acquitted of sex trafficking and racketeering charges that could have put him behind bars for life. Combs' lawyers said they'll appeal. In November, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department said it was investigating a new allegation against a hip-hop mogul from a male music producer. A bitter legal battle between actor and director Justin Baldoni and his co-star Blake Lively surrounding the 2024 movie It Ends With Us continued in 2025. On June 9th, U.S. District Court Judge Louis Lyman dismissed a lawsuit that Baldoni filed against Lively after she sued him in December 2024 for harassment and retaliation.
Well, I think what's beautiful about this story is it's a woman's story, and I think...
Baldoni and production company Wayfair Studios countersued in January for $400 million, accusing Lively and her husband, Deadpool actor Ryan Reynolds, of defamation and extortion. The New York judge ruled that Baldoni can't sue Lively for defamation over claims she made in her legal claim, because allegations made in a lawsuit are exempt from libel claims. Lyman also ruled that Baldoni's claims that Lively stole creative control of the film didn't count as extortion under California law. The judge, however, said Baldoni could revise the lawsuit if he wanted to pursue different claims related to whether Lively breached or interfered with a contract. His legal team indicated it planned to do so. The judge also dismissed Baldoni's defamation lawsuit against the New York Times, which had reported on Lively's harassment allegations. A trial date for the dispute between Lively and Baldoni has been set for March 9th, 2026. A defamation lawsuit that Drake brought against Universal Music Group was tossed out on October 9th by a federal judge who said the lyrics in Kendrick Lamar's diss track, "Not Like Us," were opinion. The feud between two of hip-hop's biggest stars erupted in the spring of 2024, with the pair trading a series of vitriolic tracks that culminated in Lamar landing the metaphorical killing blow with his mega hit in May. Judge Jeanette A. Vargas said in her written opinion. While the track's lyrics explicitly branded Drake as a pedophile, Vargas said a reasonable listener could not have concluded that "Not Like Us" was conveying objective facts about the Canadian superstar. Recapping perhaps the most infamous rap battle in the genre's history, Vargas noted that prior to Not Like Us, Drake mocked Lamar's height and shoe size and questioned his success in an April 2024 track called Push Ups, while Lamar insulted Drake's fashion sense that same month in Euphoria. From there, Vargas wrote, "The insults escalated, becoming vicious, personal." After the decision, Drake's legal team said in a statement, "We intend to appeal today's ruling, and we look forward to the Court of Appeals reviewing it. In May, British police charged a member of Irish hip-hop group Kneecap with a terrorism offense for allegedly waving a Hezbollah flag at a concert. The Metropolitan Police Force said Liam O'Goh Ho is also referred to by his anglicized name Liam Ohana and performs under the name of Mo Chara, was charged under the Terrorism Act with waving a flag of the Lebanese militant group Hezbollah, which is banned in Britain as a terrorist organization during a London concert in November 2024. But on September 26, a London court threw out the charge, basing its decision on a technical error in the way the charge was brought forward. The Belfast Trio, who rap in English and Irish about drugs, working class life, and the reunification of Ireland, has faced criticism for political statements seeming to glorify militant groups, including Hamas and Hezbollah. Canada and Hungary have previously banned the group. Kneecap has accused critics of trying to silence the band because of its support for the Palestinian cause throughout the war in Gaza. The band says it doesn't support Hezbollah and Hamas, nor condone violence. In May, Grammy-winning singer Chris Brown was charged with one count of causing grievous bodily harm after being arrested at a hotel in Manchester, northwest England. Prosecutors said the singer allegedly beat music producer Abraham Dial at the Tape nightclub in London in February 2023. Brown denied the charge. On July 11th, Brown pleaded not guilty to 2 further charges related to the case. The singer pleaded not guilty to assault causing actual bodily harm, also denied having an offensive weapon, a bottle, in a public place, at the hearing in Southwark Crown Court. The 2023 attack was caught on surveillance camera in front of a club full of people, prosecutors said. Brown was released in May on bail of $6.75 million, which allowed him to start his Breezy Bowl XX tour, including a series of dates in Europe and concerts in North America and Toronto. A trial date has been set for October 26, 2026 for the main charge,